Good morning. I just got to the park and this blue heron is fishing. It's so beautiful. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh, I'm in love. So beautiful. Oh, it's a beautiful day in Pennsylvania. Oh my gosh. So majestic. I love you. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. This park is literally right in the middle of town, as you can tell. There's like a factory right next door. They're doing road work behind me. But used to be Indian grounds, Native American sacred area that I love to come to. This is right where it's where the covered bridge is. And this is literally like 1 mile away from my house.